Hello everyone, greetings from Flectra. In this session we are going to see how you can register yourself for Flectra Store and how you can start contributing, or I would say selling your module on Flectra Store. So in this session we are going to see how you can register your account, get it approved, and then how you can actually add your repository and modules to Flectra Store. So let's get started. Okay, so just click on become a developer link on the top of the page and you can sign up. Just fill in your details like email address. I'm just filling up some details for my registration, so just email address, name and password. Once you sign up for the user, you will be presented with sign up details for the company or the details that you would like to present as your publisher company. So just company name, street, zip, city, country and website maybe, and you just have to agree to the terms and conditions of the store and just submit it. Once you submit it, it will go for an approval, and this approval may come in possibly 24 to 48 hours of your registration. So you just need to wait for the approval. Once approved, your store, or I would say your registration, you will be able to add repositories to your account. So if you go to your account from your login to my account, you can see all the information that you can add up, personal information that you may change later on as well if you need. You can also set up your store, or I would say your profile, wherein you can upload your picture and images and the other accounts and some basic information as well. Now you can also add repository to your account as well. Now let's add repository. I have my repository set up on gitlab.com. They give free private repositories as well, so great place to get free private repositories. So I have my project called my super project, and it has a module for hotel management, and I have two branches, master and 1.0, which is matching to the current Flectra branches, which is master and 1.0. So now when you want to add a repository, first of all you need to give an access to Flectra. So we have created a user called FlectraHQ Apps. Remember this one, FlectraHQ Apps with the blue icon. You have to give that user a reporter access to your repository if it's a private repository. You can read more about repository and permission roles in GitLab as well. So this user will just have a read access for your repository, so we'll be able to read the code. Now just go to your repository and copy the SSH configuration or checkout configuration and just add it to your repository into your Flectra repository path. So just add the path, and at the end just add hash and repository series. At the moment 1.0 is only available series, so hash 1.0. Once it's checked for the access, you will be able to then scan the repository. So once you add it, you need to click on scan. So once you scan the repository, it may take some time depending on the size of the repository and modules. So it will show when it was last scanned and if there is any error or any logs. And then if you click on the repository, you will be able to see what are the modules that has been added. You will be able to see PEP8 and FLEC8 checks as well. You will be able to download those logs as well, so if there are any issues with your repository scanning. If you go to the apps, you will be able to see your module which is now available on the Flectra store. You can see all the details which are mentioned in manifest file. So if it's a free module, you will be able to directly download as well. If you go to your own account and you can see from your repository, you can even unpublish it. So let's see if I open up in incognito mode again my store, just without login. You will be able to see your app or module, I would say. So you can see it's available to everyone. Now if I go back to my user account and unpublish this repository, so just click on unpublish, and this module then will not be available to anyone. So you can quickly unpublish your repository as well. So in case if you have made any mistake, you can quickly unpublish your modules from the FlectraHQ Store as well. So no one will be able to download or even search the module. There is no module available, if you see. So this way you can quickly, let's say, take down your own repository as well. You can also add your bank details. This is especially for the paid module. So in case of payments, we have all your details with us. You can also add services, which we are going to take care in next session or next video. How you can add your services. You can see your sales data as well if you are doing the paid modules, and you can also request for the payment. At the moment the limit is of $400 to request a payment. So that's it from our side. Feel free to ask any questions or queries that you may have for Flectra Store. Have a nice day.